Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today we're traveling to 1976 to discover Caper Canapes. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. I've got another quickie for you. So today truly is a quickie. This is crazy, crazy easy. So from our book, Be Our Guest, from the Junior League of Milwaukee, 1976, comes a recipe, and I want to thank Mary Lee Cedric Johnson for submitting this recipe to this book in 1976. No, I don't know her, but I always want to give credit when credit is due. Okay, so canapes. This is a silly, easy, and delicious one. Let's get started. I have my broiler already set on broil with my rack of pie. Okay, I have got 1 cup of mayonnaise. To that, we're going to add 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm just going to give it a quick mix to get it started. You can do mild, you can do medium, you can do whatever cheddar you like. I happen to love sharp, so that's what this is. Sharp. Okay, this is good enough. Now to that, we're going to add 6 green onions or scallions, very, very thinly sliced. And in they go. And just so you know, I have a little little demo of scallion for you. Isn't it cute? So I cut off the bottom, and I cut probably till about here, just until it gets super dark green. There is no reason why you can't. I just think I don't like the consistency of that, so I kind of stop right around there. But you can do whatever you want. And here's the magic. 2 tablespoons of capers that have been chopped. And yes, you've got to chop them on your own. I've never seen a can of chopped capers before. Okay, so let's get this mixed up. Give me 1 second and we'll have it all mixed. Okay, our mix is, everything is thoroughly mixed together. It smells phenomenal. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We gotta move my martini just a little bit, and we are bringing in 4, 8 halves of English muffins. Let's see, let's get these all in here for you. There we go. And they have been toasted. You do need to toast them or else they're gonna have some sogginess going on. And I love these contribution cookbooks. You can always tell because they are spiral bound. And they're just from groups, churches, schools, clubs, all over the country. And I love them from the past. I have so many. I know you do too because I've been hearing about them from you. Aren't they fabulous? Okay, now what we do is we spread. What? Let me get it in the camera here. I'm making a mess. We spread them just like that. So I'm gonna finish this and then I'll be right back to get them in the oven. Okay, here they are. As you can tell, we spread it on quite thick and the mixture amount covers all 8 halves perfectly. Now this will also make an amazing lunch. Can you say grilled cheese on steroids? Oh my God. Okay, so now into the oven this is gonna go. We are gonna babysit it because they can go from bubbly to burnt in minutes. You want them golden brown, so we'll be right back when that happens. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut them in 6, put them on a beautiful platter, and I'll see you there. Okay, we are out of the oven and take a look. How gorgeous are these? See, you just want them just barely browned and they are just fantastic. These were in the oven maybe for 1.5 minutes tops. You just want to watch them. They do go fast. They just start to brown. As soon as you see the bubbling and the browning, out they go. Cut them. I decided 6, cutting into 6 is just, they'd be like this big. So I cut them into quarters, and this is actually 5 English muffin halves. I still have 3 more, but it filled the plate nicely, and now you have backups for your party. So thank you, Mary. Thank you so much for this fabulous recipe. Guys, this is so easy and so good. You just have to try it. Last minute party appetizer, perfection. Thanks for stopping by. It's always such an honor to have you join me. Enjoy eating the past. Thanks again, Mary. And I will see you in the next video.